This is a prerequisite to sustaining peace in a world which holds in us the essence of beauty from the rich mileage of disparate traditions. Our objective is to celebrate the diversity by bringing culture, traditions, and people on common platform globally, thereby enhancing people-to-people contact and convergence. So you all are lucky. See, out of all the students, only 2 classes are selected. So what I want is, whatever time you people are here, make the most of it. Ma'am is here. She is going to take you into the world of Kathak. So now I am handing over the mic to ma'am.
और बैठे बैठे करना है 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 मुझे भी देखना कॉन्फिडेंस आई सामने देखेंगे सब लोग और स्माइल 5 6 बेटा काउंटिंग रखो